Hello everybody, this is Francisco Martinez for Java 2, and this is week 2. So we were supposed to add two different cosmetic and um, two different things to our app as far as cosmetics and functionality goes and stuff like that, like I said before. Um, it was kind of rough for me to do it, but I was kind of able to figure out a couple of the things. So as you can see, this is my app. One of the things that I had to do was flip the fragment with the detail view. So the fragment used to be over here. It used to be over here, but now it's over here. And the detail view used to be over here, but now it's over. Well, it used to be over here, and now it's over here. Sorry, I'm confusing you. Either way, they're supposed to be flipped. So the fragment's here now, and the detail view is here now. As you can see, everything still works except for the API. That's still not going to be working. I don't know what's up with it. Like I said, the other cosmetic was to change the list fragment to blue and the detail view to green, which is what as you can see, that's what I did here too. Now, as for the functionality, I'm able to do it, but it's kind of tough for me to figure out whether I got it right or not, especially being that I don't have the API in. Now, I have code here. Where do I have it? Here it is. I have the code here that I found somewhere that should delete the cache from the application. So, as you can see, I have something here on my tab that says clear cache. And then once I clear it, actually if I want to do it, I can say OK, and it says all clear. But like I said, there's really no way for me to check to see if I actually did clear out anything. I can't really figure out whether it worked or not. So yeah, this is the code that allows me to clear the cache, and then I have it set up here. That allows me to delete everything on the list, and this is the little toast that pops up. This says everything when it's done, and this is the alert dialog that pops up before you could delete anything. Last thing was to change the colors of the text. This was the one part that was kind of tough because I, for the life of me, I just couldn't figure out how to change the text through JavaScript. Well, not JavaScript, through Java instead of doing it through the XML. So, but I do have it so that the preference does show up here. I don't know why it's showing up here instead of a different window. But when I do press it, obviously it shows up here on the detail container. And then when I click colors, I have my list of colors here, but like I said, it doesn't really do anything. I could click red and nothing shows up, but it stays on red. I could click yellow, nothing shows up, but it stays on yellow. I could click orange, nothing shows up, but it stays on orange. So as you can see, everything seems to, like, it works, but it doesn't work. It's still not changing the colors at all, but the fact that it's showing up here in some way and in some kind of fashion is, I guess, a good thing. Okay, and obviously clear thing. And if I want to get away from this, I could just always click on here, and as you can see, it disappears. So that's pretty much the application. I'm a little bit more happier with what I got done so far, but like I said, it's kind of hard for me to see if this part really did work. I believe it did, but like I said, I can't really figure out a way to check to see if it did because just like from the prior project from last week, it doesn't seem like I can't get my API to work. So yeah, so I feel a little better about this week, but I don't know. We're just gonna have to wait and see how everything else goes. So I hope you guys have a good night.